Good evening, class. This is Miss Mary here, conducting class for Upper CPA. Okay, class, I want you to turn to page 32, Unit 4, about sweet rituals. What are rituals? Got to know what is the meaning of ritual. Rituals are actually customary practice. In these photos, you can see two rituals are taking place. So you got to identify the ritual that is taking place in each picture. How common are ceremonies like these when you live? Give another example of ritual behavior involving special food or drinks. In picture 2, you can see a wedding ceremony. Next, we are going to listen to a man talking about ritual family meals. What happens before the event on the day itself? Describe a family gathering you have to attend. Next, we'll do an extract from the novel of Reef by Romesh Gunasekaran, a Sri Lankan author. Read it once to form an overall impression. What is relationship between the narrator and Mr. Salgado? Okay. Next, kindly turn to page 33. You have read the text. We got to answer questions 1 to question 6. Next, we're going to do vocabulary. Okay, explain the precise meaning of the words that is written down below here. Okay, you got to identify the matching each verb for two nouns from the box and write a sentence for each one of it. Consume, relish, swallow. And then you got to match it with the box below it. Okay, kindly turn to page 34, 4.2, review of past tense. Okay, you got to read the text here, ignoring the underlining, and then explain briefly how the appearance of the text below and underline all the past tense that you see there. Next, on page 35, you got to find the examples of the following ways of talking about the past, choosing from the underlined parts of the text and completing the statement. Okay, for example, you look at 3a. Reference to an earlier point in past time. What tense do you use? We use the past perfect tense. And the next, two ways of referring to habitual past actions. We use would and would more of than. And after that, you got to look at number 5. Complete the sentences using the verbs in brackets with suitable tenses. Sometimes you'll find the need to use passive or a modal. That you got to do from 5a to f. And below at number 6, the text refers to implementation, combining the words like this to help to show your language range. Answer these questions. There are questions from number 1 to number 8. You got to choose the correct answers. So these are the ones we have completed for today. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.